If you own an S corporation or an LLC or a partnership, you've probably heard about pass-through entity tax election, also known as PTET. But now that SAL deduction cap increased to $40,000. Does PTET still make sense? A lot of business owners think the answer is no, but the reality is, for many high-income owners, the answer is still yes. When the SAL deduction was capped at $10,000, PTET became very popular because instead of paying state income tax personally and being limited to the $10,000 deduction, business owners elect to have the entity pay the state tax directly. That state tax became a federal business deduction, and the IRS approved that strategy. Now, the SAL cap is temporarily increased to $40,000. So naturally, people are asking, should I just skip PTET now? Not so fast. Here is what most people miss. The $40,000 limit fades down once your income exceeds $500,000. And once you are making over $600,000, you effectively back to the $10,000 cap. So if you are a high-income business owner, the SAL increases may not actually help you much. And second, when your entity pays the state tax, it reduces your pass-through income. That means lower federal income tax. It may also lower your self-employment taxes too, and it reduces your AGI. Lower AGI can matter more than people realize. It can affect Medicare threshold, the net investment income tax, and other deductions or credit that phase out at the higher income level. And this is very important, there is a downside. When the entity deducts the state tax, it lowers your QBI, and it can reduce your 20% QBI deduction. So PTET is not automatically better. It's not automatically worse either. It depends. It depends on your numbers. Tax strategy is not static. It changes every year. Income changes, state rate change, federal tax law changes, your structure change, and if you are not running the projection annually, you could be quietly overpaying. If you would like us to review your structure and run the math for this year, book a strategy session below. And if you are a serious business owner who wants to understand advanced tax strategy, not just a compliance, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.